24.3 divided by 9. Okay, so let's go ahead and set it up like this. All right, remember the decimal goes straight up and lines up with where it is in the right in here in the dividend. All right, so 9 goes into 24 how many times? Twice. 2 times 9 is 18. We do our regular subtraction, we get 6, and then we bring this down even just the same as if it were not behind a decimal point. 9 goes into 63 7 times. 7 times 9 is 63, and then we are done, no remainder. So the answer is 2.7. All right, cool. Next, 13.6 divided by 8. 8 goes into, put that decimal right up top. 8 goes into 13 once. Subtract, we get 5, bring down the 6. 8 goes into 56 7 times. You see, when we write the decimal up top, we don't have to worry about remembering it later. So it's already there. So that's a really good tip just to keep your work really accurate.